Don't make any mistakes. This is why. Hey, has this been fun? I mean, what a great show. So much talent up here, and such diversity. I just love that they do this. And last year, this event was highly awarded. And Leah has this big plaque in her office to commemorate that. So we're very proud to be a part of it. I'll tell you that right now.
So much talent until now.
Hey, don't give away our secret. Guess you weren't ready for that.
As Leah said, we're the dumb band. We may not be as smart as the other performers, but name calling's a little harsh.
You did yours right. That was good. I'll have to do just a little sound check.
Mike's
It always takes a while, like Ron says. This is why we're last.
During the pandemic, we've been playing together before the pandemic, and during the pandemic, we wanted to keep playing, so we met on my driveway, and we were all guys, we were all playing ukuleles. So I came up with the Driveway Ukulele Men's Band. I ran in and told my wife I was very proud of the name. She said, Driveway Ukulele Men's Band, that's dumb. It's not great, but you don't have to make fun of it.
And that has stuck, hasn't it? That is stuck.
It really did stop now. We play a lot, and everybody goes, the dumb band. It sounds natural somehow.
We keep living up to it. We're working our way to that, for sure.
It's very fitting for us. I'm Jeff.
And I'm Jeff.
I'm not Jeff, I'm Ron, and I'm just the bass player.
Hey, Edward, can we get a sound check on the ukes, please?